Hello all, in this video session of machine learning, we will be covering some topics from Module 4. Module 4 is all about neural networks. First, we will discuss the basics of neural networks. After that, we will move on to the syllabus. So let's get started. The concept of neural network is similar to the structure and functioning of a human brain. In human brain, there are millions of interconnected neurons similar to this figure. Similarly, in a neural network, there are large number of interconnected perceptrons. In a human brain, our sensory organs send the input to the brain. The brain processes the information and sends us the desired output. Similarly, in a neural network, we fed the input data to the neural network. The network processes the input data via layers of perceptrons and generates the desired output. That is, they take in data set, train themselves to recognize the patterns in themselves and predict the output for new set of similar data. Now, let's discuss some of the applications of neural network in daily life. First one is Google Translate, an app introduced by Google. It can instantly translate between more than 100 different human languages and can be used to identify images that have letters. Second one is Virtual Assistant, like Siri, Alexa and Cortana, which can read your mind and can be used for speech recognition. Third one is facial recognition. Can be used to predict the age of a person based on facial features. First, differentiating face from background and coordinating lines and spots on the face to a possible age. Our smartphones have these features. Next is forecasting. Neural network can be used for predicting the possibility of rainfall. Now let's see the definition of neural network. So, neural network used in deep learning are computing systems inspired by the structure and functioning of human brain. Here we use examples to train the model rather than writing the entire code. That is, we don't have to write the entire code. Instead, we directly give the examples or data set to the model. Neural network models the relationship between a set of input signals and an output signal using a model derived from our understanding of how a biological brain responds to stimulate from sensory inputs. So just imagine a situation when you touch a hot vessel. What happens? Your sensory organs, they receive the input and passes the input to the brain. Brain processes the information given by your sensory organs and gives you the desired output. The output is to quickly take back your hands. So, the neural network also uses the functionality of a human brain. So, this is the structure of a neural network as we have seen earlier. First, there is an input layer which receives the input data and passes on to the hidden layers. So there can be more than one hidden layer which processes the data and an output layer, and all these layers are connected through channels. An artificial neural network is a functional unit of deep learning which falls under the larger umbrella of machine learning, and machine learning itself falls under the category of AI, that is artificial intelligence.